Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 0x8007025d, then stick around for the solutions. The first solution would be to disconnect the peripheral devices. That would include your mouse or your printer or any other device like a hard disk which is connected to your computer, because sometimes what happens is these devices push their own drivers to function properly, and these drivers sometimes get corrupted on installation, causing the error code to show up. Once you have disconnected the devices and reconnected them and the error still shows up, then another solution would be is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So we right click on the start button, go to settings, system, and we look for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This would resolve the problem. Now, even if this doesn't resolve the problem, then we check the status of the Windows services. So we go to services, we open it, and we look for the Windows Update service. There you go, there's the Windows Update service. Right click on it and click start or restart. Then we need to look for Business Intelligent Transfer Service. So your background intelligent transfer service, we right click it and start. So if this is done, then we also look for cryptographic services. Cryptographic services, we right click it and press restart. Yes. So this should solve your problem. Even if then it doesn't work, the only solution left is to run the memory diagnostic tool. To do that, we need to press the Windows button along with the R key. This opens the run box. In that, we need to type in the command mdsched and press enter. This would solve the problem. If this video solved the problem, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the day.